Ich kann Deutsch sehr gut sprechen. Je peux parler l'allemand très bien. I can speak German very well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Dakoba Tongues. In this particular lesson, we are going to learn how to express capabilities in French and in German. Thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and be part of this journey. Let's go. Now in German. This modal verb is können, and it is primarily used to express capability. Like, I can do this, I can do that, I can't do this, I can't do that. Okay. Carefully, this modal verb können is mostly used with another action verb. And you must first of all conjugate the können, preferably in simple present tense. That is, ich kann, du kannst, er, sie oder es kann. Wir können. Ihr könnt. Sie können. Once you know this, or you can conjugate it like this, you have one step in the right direction. Next is add the additional information. But the action verb is always at the end of the sentence. Like in the beginning, I said, ich kann sehr gut. Like in the beginning, I said, ich kann sehr gut Deutsch sprechen. I can speak German very well. Number 2. Kannst du Bohnen kochen? Can you cook beans? Number 3. Kann Fußball spielen. He can play football. 4. Wir können die Aufgabe machen. We can do the work or the homework. Number 5. Könnt ihr mit dem Lehrer ins Kino gehen? Can you go to the cinema with the teacher? All right. So you can see, number 1, the action verb is sprechen and it is at the end. The number 2, the action word is kochen, is at the end. Number 3, the action word is spielen, to play, is at the end. Number 4, the action word is machen, to do, is at the end. Number 5, the action verb here or word is gehen, to go, is at
Hello, bonjour, hello, friends together, let's all go. Learning languages is fun, French and German.